saw that happening, but people were trying to break down the cyclone fence for the construction site. There's a big condo complex that's here. And if the protesters get into that, there's huge cranes up about 20 stories. And if they somehow, start running amok in there, we're going to have a very dangerous situation. A group of people started trying to break down the fence. I can see more people trying to break down the fence. And now they've broken through. People have broken through the fence, and they say, come on in, come on in. And now we're going to have some real trouble.
Hey, stop, guys!
Because we're seeing a bunch of people. This is a full-on riot. People are now going into. They're getting 4x4s, 2x4s. They're getting pipes. They're getting tools. They have just broken in, and it's going to be a free-for-all. And we're going to have some real trouble here.
Guys!
Now we need something to defend ourselves.
We need to close it up.
Because they are getting battering ram type 4x4s and things like that. It's about to escalate. The police department has not responded. They are pretty much letting the crowd go through. They're in a different area. Somebody found a fire extinguisher and somebody is discharging the fire extinguisher. Now maybe cooler heads have prevailed and are trying to reestablish that construction fence.
Yeah, looked
that
like
had
some
been broken
construction
through just a few
workers
minutes
actually
ago. I don't know if
came
you
out,
can see this on our chopper, but the fence has been sort of restored by cooler heads in the crowd, which is a good thing.
Close it up. Close it.
Get out!
Hey!
Get out! He's not our enemy.
Hey, he's not your enemy, dude. He's not your enemy. He's not your enemy. Close it. Hey, let him.
Because for a while, people started.
Yeah, they're the construction workers who are on the other side of the fence trying to reinforce it and get it back up in position. It looks like they might have succeeded to some extent.
Yeah, I see a couple of construction workers in their hard hats now. They were obscured by the crowd from what I could see. So the construction workers have reestablished that fence line, which is a good thing. So the standoff continues here on Santa Clara Street with police not really pushing the crowd at this point. They've kind of stopped here at 5th Street. And the crowd does not appear to be dispersing. They are just kind of, most people just watching, spectating, still throwing things at the department, yelling.
Stop, guys, stop. Hey, you guys need to stay safe, guys. You guys need to go. You guys jump over. I know, you guys gotta stay safe, dude. I appreciate it. Yeah. Hey, take this.
Thank you, brother.
Don't be like that. Why was
¿No tienen otras cosas para...? Yeah. Hey, what do you tell these protesters, man? What do you tell them?
I don't know, man. Just be safe and shit. But I mean, it's not our fault. You know what I mean? Don't be damaging other property. You know?
What can I see, says? What do you tell them?
Yeah, man. Black Lives Matter, but over there, brother. Don't direct that on job site, man.
All right, for sure.
all good, brother. It's all good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey, there's plenty of people here that watch out for you guys. Not everyone's an asshole out here.
Thank you.